This guide explains the different reports available in the CRM and how to export them for review and analysis. Navigate to dspeedup.in. Navigate to the Reports section in the left-hand sidebar. Select Lead Source Report from the list of available reports. The report screen displays lead data grouped by source, along with corresponding totals. Click the Filter button at the top of the report to open the filter options. Apply filters based on your requirement, such as source name. Select a specific lead source. Created. Date. Choose a date range to view leads created during that period. Click Search to apply the selected filters. Filtered reports will be displayed in the grid. Click Reset to discard the changes. Once your report view is ready, click the Export button on the top right. Click on OK. The system will download the report data in your preferred format, usually CSV or Excel. You can use this exported file for offline analysis or sharing.